Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Roblox keyboard controls. Now this is very simple and easy to do, so make sure you watch this video right until the end so that you don't miss any steps. So the first thing you actually want to do is just open up Roblox on your PC, and you do actually want to make sure you are logged into the correct account. So once you've done that, it's not actually possible to change your controls inside of these settings here. As you can see, you can only change settings about your account in these settings. So what you will have to do is just back out to the home page. And what you want to do is just you want to load into a server. So I'm just going to click play on this. So what you want to do from here is just load into a game. And then once you are actually in the game, you just want to go ahead and click the escape button. And this will bring up this menu here. Now what we want to do from here is look for the settings, and we can find that at the top bar. And it's just next to where it says people there. So when we get to settings, as you can see, the third option down is actually an option called movement mode. And this is how we can actually change our Roblox keyboard controls. So currently I have mine set to keyboard and mouse. However, there are a few more options that we can set it to. So we can choose it to click to move. So we have to click in order to move. Or if we wanted to, we can also change it to the default, which is just keyboard. And this means that you move with just your keyboard, as you can see. However, I personally like keyboard and mouse the best, so I'm just going to keep my movement mode set to that. Obviously, what you have your Roblox controls as is up to you, so I would recommend messing around with these settings and see what you like best. And you can also change the camera mode as well, and that will not interfere with the movement mode, so that can be another thing for you to try out for yourself. And once you've done that, your Roblox keyboard controls will have changed. And that is exactly how you can change your Roblox keyboard controls. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.